So friends, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Tron TRX.us. It's a new mining website. In this video we will talk about each and everything in detail. So don't skip the video and watch the video till end. So let's get started. First of all, you have to register your account. For registering your account, you have to give your number, your password, security password, invitation code, and you have to type this captcha. And if you already have an account, just go back and log in into your giving number and your password and just sign in. So friends, as you people can see that we have successfully signed in, and here we have 100 TRX, and you can see that we will talk about deposit, withdraw, share, team, app, logout, and you can see TRX $106. We have joined to get Tron Millionaire, use cloud mining in DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX revenue. Platform display data, we have accumulated profit and the membership number. We have a great number of membership. We are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining Bitcoins, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. Both quantitative trading in DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and to obtain stable income like insurance. So here we have some global partners like 𝑔𝐻𝑥, 𝑐oinGCX, Genesis Mining, Bitmain, Binance, and 𝐶oinMint. After that, if we talk about trading, so we people are able to see that here we have 7% cloud mining that is in working, and we can get 7% of the profit on the daily basis by our website Invest. If we talk about the Invest, we are able to see that here we have the product and we can buy them, and here we have all the daily rates and daily cycle, and we can earn money from it. And if you people want to earn money from a different way, you have to just copy this link and share this link with your friend, and as much as your friends use this link for their registration, you can get more reward. After that, now we go to the main mining option. Here we have the main mining option. In this we will talk about the deposit and the withdraw. First of all, we are going to make the deposit. For making the deposit, we have to go to the deposit option, and we have to choose one of the two accounts, basic account and promotion account. So we are going to choose basic account. We have to copy this address. After making the copy of this address, we have to go to our trust personal wallet so that we can make payment here. So here you can see that we have address, and we are going to send 20 TRX that are here. 20 TRX are going to be sent there, and when they will send it, this TRX are sent there, we will make the withdrawal of this amount. So we have to wait for a while, and the amount have been detected from here. Now we go back to the website, and we have to tap on the recharge completed button, and when we will tap on the recharge completed button, the amount will be received there after some time. So meanwhile, we talk about the team, profit list, transfer to basic. So here we go, we have team. There are 3 different levels of team: level 1, level 2, and level 3. At level 1, the number of people who used your invitation link for their registration are shown, the number of TRX you earned from are shown, and the number of TRX people invested here are shown. And after that, friends, if we go to the profit list, we are able to see that the amount that have been recharged and the register gift, every amount are given here. You can see we have 120 TRX. That was one. You can also share it with your friend. You can have also all the notification about it. So all the notifications are here, we can see, and we can make money from it. And after that, here we have the withdrawal option. So if here you can see the daily withdrawal limit is 1 TRX. We first have to choose the account, that is basic account. Here we have to add the limit, that is 1, and here we have to add the address. For adding the address, we have to go back to the trust wallet, and we have to tap on the receive button. We have to copy the address from here and paste the address here so that we can receive money there. And here we have to add the security password and just confirm your option. So as you can see, 1 TRX have been detected from here, and it has been sent there. If we go back to the trust wallet, and we people are able to see that we have 21 TRX that have been added here. So friends, it was a complete review of this video. Hope you all people like this, and if you really like this, thumbs up to it. And it's all in here. We will meet again, friends. Bye.